Right, so in this video, let's see how to represent the solution that we get after solving a linear inequation problem on the number line. Let's take an example for this purpose. Suppose we solve a sum and we end up getting something of this format, where x is in between -4 and less than or equal, x is greater than -4 and less than or equal to 2 by 3, and x belongs to real numbers. Right. So let's plot this solution on. Let's see how to plot this solution on a number line. Let's consider this as a number line here, as you can see. So we have to go from -4 all the way up to 2 by 3. Right now, x is greater than -4. So at -4, now understand it is just greater than. It is not greater than or equal to. So if it is greater than -4, at -4, what we can do is we can make a uh, open circle, right? And an open circle at -4 because it is greater than -4 and less than or equal to 2 by 3. So what we do when you have a mixed fraction like that, so the region between 2 and 3, let's divide it into 3 parts. So that's 2. We have 2 over here. This is 2 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3, and this is 3 basically. And so 2 by 3, it is less than or equal to 2 by 3. So since it is equal to, I will mark a dark circle over here, right? Or a filled up circle. Now the x belongs to real numbers, so all numbers in between these two values have to be included. So let's just mark our region, and this here is the region between -4 and 2 by 3. So if I want, I can just mention this is 2 by 3, right? So this is how we'll mark a real number, rather or represent a real number on the number line, or rather a solution to real numbers. Remember, whenever you have an equal to sign, greater than or equal to sign, you mark it with a dark circle, and if it is just a less than or equal to, or less than or greater than, you mark that point with a hollow circle, hollow or open circle, right? So this was the case of real numbers. Let's take a similar example now, where we have integer values. Okay. Now, first things first, remember, we are going from -4 to 2 by 3, and we have to only mark the integers. So first, let's write our solution appropriately, right? So this would mean, so greater than -4, greater than -4, our integers are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, and we have to be less than or equal to 2 by 3. So less than or equal to 2 by 3, the integer value would be 2, because if I take 3, that will be greater than 2 by 3. So now these will be my this here is my solution set, and those are the points I would want to mark on my number line. So in the case of integers, I just have to mark those individual points. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. That's it. You don't need to mark an entire region, because the values in between the integers, like say 1.1 or 1.2, are not going to be included in this solution set, right? Finally, let's just take another example where we are dealing with whole numbers now. So I have x greater than -4 and less than or equal to 2 by 3, and x belongs to whole numbers this time, right? So for the case of whole numbers, again, remember, let's first mark out our solution set. So whole numbers start from 0. So our solution set must, since we are going greater than -4, the whole number would be 0. And then we have 1 and 2, which is less than or equal to 2 by 3, right? So these are just whole numbers. So again, let's just mark our whole numbers 0. Sorry, let's use the other color. 0, 1, and 2. Remember, if you had the same kind of question with natural numbers, we would have just marked 1 and 2, because natural numbers start with 1. Right? So this is about plotting a solution on the number line. In the next video, we'll be solving a few sums and seeing how to plot those solutions on the number line as well.